Wendell, can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay, you're on public comment. Can you mute your background noise? You can go ahead.
Good
Yeah.
morning, Mr. Coleman.
I can.
Ready when you are.
Okay. So good morning, supervisor members, and first and foremost, I'd like to thank Supervisor Ramos for putting forth the motion to stall the vote on Measure K and revisit it based on logic and science. I'd like to share something that has happened to me recently. Yesterday, I was pulling up to my job site at 810 Brown Street in Napa, where I'm a consultant on a property that is being threatened by receivership from the city of Napa. And as I was driving past to park, I noticed that there was a purse sitting on a bench in front of Le Paris. When I got out of the car, I was going over to Le Paris to get some coffee, and I just thought it was so wonderful that members of the community feel safe and protected by leaving their items outside and they don't have to worry about theft. It really had me thinking about how I am a victim of theft and how I am lacking any type of relief. I've reached out personally to County Counsel Shell Bratton for assistance on this matter, only to receive a letter based on assumptions, not fact, of my interpretation of being stolen from. I am a victim of theft. I've reported this to the Napa Sheriff's Department. I've reached out to the Board of Supervisors for assistance and direction to command the Sheriff's Department to perform their basic function. I've also went to the Napa Court, which is saturated with, which I recommend an immediate investigation or request an immediate investigation into members of our judicial body, as there is a long history of discriminatory practices and unlawful orders being perpetrated against members of the community. So as I put forth the writ of mandamus, it was immediately rejected by Judge Scott Young, who made similar assumptions as did County Counsel Cheryl Bratton, not based on the plethora of evidence that I had submitted. I would like the board to know that I was at the premises yesterday where my items remain today. I took a video of my items that have been stolen and that are sitting at this location, and I'm simply asking for help. I want to be treated the same way the lovely young lady was treated yesterday, by feeling safe enough to leave my personal property in a location where it won't be stolen. And in the event that I need help, law enforcement will not continue to ignore my request. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Coleman. Do you have anyone else on the phone? Okay, and no one else in the room? All right, thank you for the public comment. At this time, I am going to have us move to item